Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open the Image Playground app on iOS 18. 4 from your home screen. Grant the app camera and photo permissions when prompted so it can access images. Sign in with your Apple ID to sync settings and assets across your devices. Tap Create to begin a new canvas and choose a starting template or blank project. The app lists templates by category for quick selection and previews each template before you commit to it. Type a clear prompt and optionally add a photo reference to guide the generation. Use the Generate button to create images from your prompt and reference together. Adjust model strength and style sliders to control influence, using values like 25% for subtlety or 60% for strong effects. Crop, mask, and paint directly on the canvas using Touch or Apple Pencil for fine edits. Use Undo and History to revert or compare edits easily while refining your image. Choose Export to save your final image as PNG or JPEG, and pick quality like 90% for high resolution. Use Share to send images via messages, mail, or save directly to photos on your iPhone. Select file size or resolution options if you need smaller files for web uploading. Manage projects in the library to duplicate, rename, or delete items and revert to earlier versions when necessary. Enable iCloud Sync to backup projects and keep them available across.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.